Hi everybody, this is Pramita here, and since today I'm going to start a crafty vlog sort of thing. So I guess this is probably the first time you see my face on YouTube, and I don't think I've ever shown my face on YouTube ever. So you won't see practically a day in my life, but you will see snippets of my crafty days throughout the week. I'll capture bits and pieces of that, and then I'm going to piece them together and post them in the form of a weekly vlog, because daily vlog is not possible for me sometimes. And I'm so glad that at least you got to see my face after such a long time. So as you can see, there are lots of books here and there, because that's what I do. I teach English, and yeah, I have been teaching for a long time and also journaling for a long time, but I ventured into journal making quite late. I started making journals for myself, which then resulted in making journals for my friends, and then it took another dimension and I opened a shop on Etsy. And now since there are some restrictions on shipping due to COVID situation, I started making digitals, and it had been in the pipeline for a while, but honestly I do not see myself as a digital paper creator or whatever. Anyways, so this is just the intro. You'll see this at the beginning of my weekly vlog first part, but you won't see me every weekly vlog. So today is Thursday, and today is 1st of July. It is also Canada Day, and it also brings 4th of July celebrations closer. So anyways, long story short, you will be seeing this at the beginning of my weekly vlog, and then you will see what I had been up to during the rest of the days of the week. So that would be for Friday, Saturday and Sunday. Okay, so thank you everybody for being there with me and watching my videos, and keep watching. So this is the look from my balcony, and I have said before that I live in a gated community, and my building is towards the rear end, and these are the long tall trees that we have that borders our boundary wall, and which overlooks my balcony. So here is a sneak peek of that. Hi, so today is Friday, and I'm still fussy cutting a lot of items, as you can see, and I will give you the name of the shop that I've used. Most of the items are from FLORAL, and also I don't have a name over here, but this is another shop that I've used, 911, so you won't be able to forget that. So I have used her digitals. They come in the pink palette as well as some purple and blue palettes, and I like the digitals basically, but I think the Far Mirage ones are more vibrant. I'm just going to give you a glimpse of those because I have printed them out in doubles. So but it also comes with the same floral arrangements with frames in there around them, some ornate kind of frames. But I've not printed out that because I wanted to fussy cut these out. Just show you what it looks like. So each of the pages have 8 images, and then you can fussy cut these out. So there are 5 sheets, 40 in all, so I think that's pretty good, and I think these cost around $1 or so, and it's a good deal. She always has some sale going, so that's another update. And another thing I wanted to share is I'm working on some floral digitals. I'll just show you. So this is one of the pages I am obsessed with working all these on digitals, you know, because whatever little time I get, I start working on them. I love this page. This has turned out so good. And this is another page. I've not worked anything for tags in pockets. They will come later. It takes a little bit of time to do work on those, but the pages have come out really good. See how lovely it looks. So this is also a sneak peek of what to expect. I'm using florals as my next theme, and that too in that cherry blossom theme. So I'm going to end this part over here. So Friday had been very busy for me, and I have been fussy cutting the whole day. Tomorrow is Saturday, and I will show you updates of my crafty life. So bye for now. Hi everyone, this is Friday night and I'm still doing some fussy cutting, but I also wanted to see how these fussy cut elements would look on the masterboard snippet rolls that I will be making. So I'm just trying to gauge. It's pretty late, so it's pretty dark. I'm sorry because of this shaking. Yeah, so these are some flowers, fussy cuts that I will be using, and of course I'm just not gluing them down right away. I just want to, as I said, I just want to gauge how they would look, and probably I'm going to use some. So, like this. So, as you can see, these florals are working perfectly, and that is why I have been like a mad lady doing all sorts of fussy cuts for the past 2 days, because I want to be ready when I will do these projects. And also another thing is that while I was making the other snippets, I had practically exhausted all my fussy cuts that were in this size. Now this size is very important because we are working on a 2 1/4 to 2 1/2 inch width. So that is why I do not want too big image. Also, I would show you how I have made some snippets already, snippet rolls, and keep watching for the next part. So here you can see, this is, let me move this aside. This is a long snippet, strip that we had created in a video, and then what I've done is I have added these floral elements, layered different things up, and I have made 6 sections. Like if I want, I can snip it off from here, and then I can go on from here, and if I want, I can use them independently without layering them on anything else, or else I can use them as pockets, tuck spots. I can make belly bands, so they can be used in multiple ways. So this is the one that I've finished, but I'm going to be working on this, and also there's a process video coming where I show how my thinking process goes. It's very simple. I just put down 3 to 4 things, because collage doesn't mean that you will put down a number of things, but it does mean that putting those things in a certain fashion, in a certain pattern, so that less looks more. So that is the key thing. You don't have to use 5 to 6 elements. You can just use 3 to 4 elements, and you can make this pop. So just like over here, what I've done is, this background was already done, so I've used this element, something at the back, so that this pops up, and here I've added a label, and again a word label which has been layered on a cheesecloth and some lace. So these are as simple as possible. So again, I've used some label and I've put this down, then a single flower. This has been glued, this is not stitched, but these are all separately stitched, and then I've just glued them down. I will probably go over with Mod Podge, the matte finish one, and then they will get an added shine and strength also. So this is another one. Just simple layering. You don't need to have too many things. This is even more simple. Like, look, this is the floral element, just a label and some word. This word is from Nick the Booksmith, and these are from one journal spot, or one little journal spot. I'll try and get the name of the shop in the next segment. So don't forget to watch my crafty vlogs, where I show you the updates that are going on in my daily life as a crafter, as a teacher, and as a person who's living in India. So if you want to see anything else, you can post in the comment section, and I'll try my utmost. So thank you everybody. Keep watching the Saturday and the Sunday vlogs.